Hello everyone. Today we are making falafel taco with hummus. So first we are making hummus, for which we taken soaked chickpeas. I am adding this soaked chickpeas in a grinding jar. I take 1 bowl chickpeas, and in this soaked chickpeas I soaked it for overnight. Then I add garlic and chopped green chili in it. I have taken garlic, this amount of garlic, 4-5. I am gonna add in it. Then I have taken 2 green chili chopped. I am adding in it. Then I am adding 2-3 tablespoon oil in it. I added 2-3 tablespoon oil. Then I am going to add salt as per taste. I have taken all these ingredients. Then I grind it. See this, I grind this hummus. Then I am gonna add 1-2 tablespoon oil again in it. After adding oil, I am gonna mix it. So our hummus is ready. So for making tacos, lachha paratha, outer covering, we take around 2 bowl. This bowl measures 2 bowl all-purpose flour, maida. Then I am going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Baking powder I am added 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon of baking soda I am gonna add. Then I am going to add salt as per taste. Then I am going to add 2-3 tablespoon oil in it. After adding oil, mix all this, and by adding little amount of water, make a soft dough like you are making dough for making roti. Make a soft dough. I make soft dough of it. Then I am going to add little amount of oil and knead it for around 5 minutes. I made a soft dough, knead it for 5 minutes. Then I placed a napkin in it or a plate and rest it for 10 to 15 minutes. Here for making falafel, I have taken 2 bowl boiled chickpeas. I am going to add it in a grinding jar. Then after this, I am going to add chopped green chili in it. Then I am going to add salt as per taste. Then I am going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Then I am going to add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. You can also add coriander leaves in it. After adding this all, grind it. See this, we grind all this. If you think this dough is too hard, then add little amount of water in it. Then I am going to add chopped onion in it. I have taken 2 small chopped onion. Then mix all this. Then make balls, small balls from it. Make small ball and press it out to make a tikki, to make falafel. See this, I made this falafels. See this, in a bowl I have taken 3-4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and I added a little amount of water in it and make a paste from it. Take a pan and and add oil in it to fry our falafels. Take one falafel and add it in this mixture. Don't take this mixture too thin. Take this mixture like it is perfectly coated on a falafel. Coat it in a falafel. Then place it in a all-purpose flour, or you can take bread crumbs. Add it in a frying pan to fry our falafel. Fry this falafel till it turns into golden brown color. Fry it on a medium flame. See this, our falafel is turning into golden color. See this, our falafel is ready. Then I am going to make lachha paratha for making taco. This is the dough we make earlier. Then I am gonna make small balls to make lachha paratha from it. See this, I divided this dough in 5 parts. Make a round ball and dust flour in it and make a roti kind of from it. After rolling out it and make a roti kind of. See this, I made roti kind of circular shaped roti. Then I am going to cut it like this. You can cut it using knife or you can use pizza cutter. Before cutting, first make a round roti and apply some oil in it. Apply some oil in it. Then dust some flour maida in it like that. Then cut it out like that. Then roll it out in one place like that. Then fold it round by using your finger. Press it out, and by pressing you can also make lachha paratha, and you can also use belan, but by using belan you cannot make perfect lachha paratha. So slightly you can slightly use belan as well. You can also push by using hand and make lachha paratha. See this, I made this lachha paratha. Then I am gonna bake it. For that I take a pan. In that I put my paratha, lachha paratha. First, don't grease oil in it. First, bake it little from like that. Bake it little amount, then apply oil in it. See that some part of lachha paratha is baked. Then apply oil in it and bake it in a medium flame. Don't make too thin lachha paratha. See the layers of lachha paratha. See this, our lachha paratha is already baked. Take it out. Apply hummus which we made earlier in it. Apply hummus lightly in it, in all parts. See this, I applied hummus all sides. Then I put 2 falafels into one side. Then fold it out like that. See, our falafel is looking yummy. In a pan, take little amount of oil, put our falafel taco in it and bake little amount of it, bake little till light golden color. See this, our falafel taco is ready. Falafel taco with hummus is ready. Serve it. See, our falafel taco is looking yummy. Like it is looking yummy, it is also tasty in taste, yummy in taste. If you like this recipe, then like this video and share it to your friends and comment when you try this and subscribe my channel. See this, I decorated my taco with sauce. This is 5 ingredient recipe. 5 ingredients are all purpose flour, means maida. Second one is chickpeas. Third one is onion, oil, garlic. These are 5 ingredients we take. Main 5 ingredients, and other are masala and green chili instead of 5 ingredients. So see this, our falafel taco with hummus is ready to serve. Serve it and comment it below. Thank you.